Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. First, I want to show you real quick color in the tile, that big tile from last night's live. Okay, let me see. The coasters turned out pretty good. I mean, of course, yes, I need to trim. And these, I wanted a kind of not a out there design, I just wanted a little bit of a design because I want to do some heat embossing on them. And here is the big tile done on a 12 by 12 with Famo wood. And I have, can't even see it in this light, I have one hair somewhere that I have to, that I'm going to have to sand out. Anyway, let me see how the lights look. Yeah, it looks okay. Okay, today, since I am out of resin, but I got some new toys in, so I am going to do some heat embossing on some tiles. I'll just do a couple on the camera for you, because this is my very first time trying it. Okay, these are tiles that I sanded the front. Okay, and I'm going to be using this clear ink to put a design on it with a stamp. Now this is not a misty. This is what I call a homemade misty, and if it works, I will do a short video showing you how to do that. Okay, and I also even got really cheap and let me get this out, and even made my own dust bag, powder bag I should say. Okay, so I do know, let me see, I do know the steps are, okay, I sanded them all, and I know that the next step is to put the powder on. And I don't have many designs, so I think I'm just going to do the butterfly on some of these. This is the heat tool I'm using. I've had two of them for a long time. This is a Doris heat tool. I probably got it at Michael's. Now, I did get some embossing powder online. It's called Whispers, and I think it's made by the Doris company. And let me see here. That's clear. I don't think I want that. That's opaque. Okay, I'm going to save. I think I'm just going to do, oh shoot. See, I don't know which one I want to do. Okay, I'm just going to do the opaque white on these four, because I've never done it before and I don't want to start getting any fancy with it or anything. So I'm going to do the opaque white, and is this the gold? I can't read the label. So I do know that, okay, okay, here is my tile. I do know, first thing I'm going to do is I want to figure out where it's going to go. So, you put the raised edge part down where you know it's where you want it to go, okay? Get it straight, okay? Push it down so it attaches to the lid, and there it is. Now, I do know, if I remember right, I want to put some of this powder down. It's baby powder. It's supposed to be anti-static. So we will find out We will find out if it works. Okay, I do want, okay. There's got to be a tape or something on this. Where's my knife? Knife! Oh, duh. If it was a snake, it would have bit me. Okay. I should have tested to open these before I started the camera. Ah, there we go. Okay. Okay, I got my powder down. Got my stamp where I want it. So now I know the next step is you take your Versa pad. It's not a very big stamp, so I don't think I need it to be that much ink on there. Okay, and then you make sure it's in the corner. And then you push it down and the ink should transfer. Well, I see it on there, so let me just put this one over here. I didn't get myself something to put in there to protect it, so I'm going to leave it like that. The embossing on it. I can see the butterfly. Now, get yourself a piece of paper, okay? Because you're going to put a lot of, well, not a lot. You're going to put some powder on that clear ink, and then you're going to shake it off onto the paper, and the paper's going to help you get it back in here. So, just making sure I cover the whole butterfly part. Now, and it only stayed, I don't know if that's embossing powder right there or what it is, so I'm just going to wipe off, because I'm not sure what that is. Okay, so let me put this back in the container. Because I don't want to blow it all over the place. And now all I have to do is heat emboss it, and it looks like it's straight. Okay, so here is my tool. Yeah, it's hot. And I know you don't leave it in one spot. I'm just trying to make sure. And I probably should have put it on top of something. Okay, I'm looking at it, and okay, I see some of it that's not the right color, so I'm hoping that that is good enough. I'm hoping the darker color is what it's supposed to look like once it's heated up. So I'm just going back over it. Okay, I'm not sure if that was supposed to stay there or not, so you know what, let me use my light. Okay, looks like everything's where it's supposed to be, so Sorry, I didn't mean to blind you guys. So, I'm going to set this one off to the side, okay? Now, I am going to stamp the other 3 real quick, okay? You put your next one in. Trying to keep the design on this going in almost the same direction, okay? And then you open this. Oh, there we go. I couldn't get it open. I didn't know which way to open it. So you tap it on here. Don't need to tap it hard. Oops, almost forgot. You want to put your powder down. Because I was told that that's something that you're probably going to forget before you stamp. And let me look at it. Oops. It is so hard to see in this light. Okay, this is a lot easier. So get yourself, if you're having a hard time seeing the clear ink, get yourself one of these cheap little LED lights to shine it on there. Okay, I'm going to stamp the other 2 now real quick. Okay, here is the 3rd one, or the other 3 I mean. Powder. That's the powder, I can tell you, I know this much. The powder is supposed to be what keeps the embossing powder from sticking anywhere else. Okay, there we go. And you close it, and then you kind of mush it so the ink goes on there. And this homemade little tray is working. Okay, that looks like I got it everywhere. For some reason that's darker. I don't know why. Okay, now powder. More ink on here. Don't have to press real hard. You're just trying to get it on the ridges, not the inside the ridges. And what I'm doing here is I'm just making sure that that whole stamp makes contact. And yes, it did. Okay, so I will clean that off before I put it away. But I just want to put the powder on the rest of these so you can see me do it. And then now I'm going to tell you something. This is my very first time at doing this, okay? Somebody who I learned it from is going to be watching the video and telling me if I did anything wrong, okay? So I'm just going to do this. Okay, that one's going to be ready. And then what I'll do is after I finish put the powder in this one, I'll just put all the powder on the paper back in here. But somebody's going to be showing, looking at this and telling me what I did wrong or right, because this is my very first time doing it. So, that's my shout out in today's video. I did a shout out for her yesterday. Her channel is Display a Color. I will put a link down below. She's taught me a lot about this. And I want to start decorating my tiles with this. So this is going to be something I do from now on. So, and she's going to look at it and tell me if I did it right or wrong. Okay, now I don't know how long I'm supposed to hold it on there. Okay, that one's, I hope, done. I'll look at it with the light in a minute. You don't want to, I know for a fact, because I do this with my heat gun on resin, you don't want to leave it in one spot for too long. You want to keep moving it over this. Looks like I got a little bit of a problem with the tail right there, but we will find out. So, I'm going to heat this one up. Then I'm going to look at the one that's cooled off. Okay. And as far as I can see, nothing's coming off, so I don't see anything on my gloves, so I must have done it right. Okay, now I'm going to find out from her what I have to do. I forgot to ask her that. What do I do about the powder after I do the heat embossing? Because I probably am going to need to clean it off a little bit, which I'm doing right now with my finger. So, I hope that you've enjoyed this little video. Sorry that this is, I don't have very many stamps and I don't have very many colors either, so this is all I can show you for now. I'm thinking of doing something black on this. I just haven't figured it out yet what I'm going to do, but that's going to be for another video. I'm going to ask her if I did this right after she looks at it, and then I will tell you in the description what she said, okay? So, thank you all for watching. I love the resin right out of you guys, and I love the heat embossing right out of you guys. How's that? I love all my subscribers. I thank you for all the support. You know, keep giving me those likes, those comments, the thumbs up. You know, tell your friends about me. Tell them that I'm learning, but I'm making sure that if I teach you something that's not right, I will come back and tell you if it was wrong. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Love the resin right out of you guys. There is my 4 butterflies, and I might be doing another heat embossing video tomorrow because I am out of resin right now. So thank you all for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. I love the resin or the heat embossing powder right out of you guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.